Jumbo? Louder, please say Jumbo. Okay, now Jumbo, please come out. Alright, here you are, face the crowd, buddy. Okay, so this time, buddy, I want you to wave at them. Can you wave back? Hi. Good bird. Okay, one more. Wave at them, buddy. Wave at them. Alright. So macaws have a very long tail and feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from their head to tail, and their tail can reach up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful tail. Now, buddy, can you turn around? 1, good bird, 2, and 3. Alright. So we can see most of the colors outside their body and less color under its wing. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful wings. Everybody say wing. Good bird. Okay, one more. Buddy say wing. Okay. So macaws' feet are zygodactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. And they also use their beak to hold on things and climb. Now Mr. Ian, he has a groundnut. He will place it inside the plastic basket, and that's a reward for Jumbo. Now let's see how Jumbo will get his reward. Okay, pick it up. Good word. Okay. And get his reward. So by the way, we are using a reward system to recompense the intelligence and efforts of our birds. And as what I said earlier, Jumbo is a very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why? Birds, as they have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. And also they are vulnerable with youth. Alright, so from the medium size of bird originator, Mr. Irving. Are we good, sir? Okay, now eyes here. Ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale, keep your heads up high. Turn white. See you name? Marina. So white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the king of the sea, or the white and Germany, our girl pigeon. And also our scarlet ibis, all the way from South America. Alright, come on, you're at the center, buddies. Come on, don't be shy. Come on. So before we totally end our show, let me introduce to you the people behind the success of the show. My partner here is Mr. Ian, and of course to our other bird trainers, to our soundman up there, Mr. Benjamin, to our volunteer staff, the view through, and last but not least, our professional bird trainer, Mr. Aidan, all the way from Singapore. And yours truly, my name is Sherby, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you everyone, and enjoy the rest of the wild. Thank you very much.